attaching a post mount to a deck, the first thing you're going to want to do is install the blocking in between your joist opening. Here we have 3 layers of treated 2x10s nailed together. We're going to fit those down between our joists and fasten that securely with either nails or construction screws on as many sides as we're able. From there, you go ahead and floor your deck with whatever flooring you choose. In this example, we have 1-inch composite decking. Next, you add your pergola post to the deck. And I like to take my pencil and tape measure and mark the center of each post base. Then I use those center marks to make sure that the edge of my column trim ring does not overhang the edge of the deck. I use a speed square to square that up. You can go ahead and use your fasteners to attach the mount down. You can go around your whole post at this point, put all 4 of your screws in. You want to make sure you check the post for level with a torpedo or another type of level. And if you need to, use composite shims to plumb it up.